Well, hello, Disney friends and fellow travelers. Oh, that got loud. Well, we are doing a totally different vlog today. So come boat with us. So today we are in Tampa Bay doing a sunset cruise. Oh my goodness. We've never done this. We've done sunset cruises, but not in Tampa. Very exciting. I've got my daughter Lydia and her boyfriend Levi here. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun night. We are on Fun Boat Cruises outside of the Tampa Convention Center on the Riverwalk. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So we're in Hillsborough Bay right now.
That final condominium is Bayshore Boulevard. That's the oldest development in the city of Tampa. They started building over there in the 1800s.
Oh wow.
I mean, a long time. And nowadays, it's one of the most affluent areas. There's a great country club, lots of good restaurants. But there's a road in between, a road and a sidewalk in between your house and the water. So if you're a big time boater, you might want to live over here where you can have your boat right behind your house, sunset view out your back door every night, protected harbor. It doesn't get much better, but it's going to cost you. They're getting 10 million plus for single story teardown. Yeah. 5 years ago, let's make it, 5 years ago was 3 million. 12 years ago was 600,000.
Oh, wow.
But there's so many people moving to the Tampa Bay area. 150 people dead.
Wow. 150 people a day are moving to Tampa.
25.
Wow.
And they started...
Exactly. So this is the granddaughter of the Publix owner building a new mansion out here. Our boat driver said all at the lower level is going to be laundry, gym room, stuff that can be destroyed by water. Their living area is all up above. So this was Derek Jeter's house, but it was just recently resold. It is 3 lots. But he sold it to Dr. Sid Patel, who is going to demolish it and build something new. Oh my goodness, look at that. 100 grand a month it was being rented out at. Whoa.
So Jeter decided he didn't want to move back from Miami, so he sold it to Dr. Sid Patel. And the master bedroom is the top right corner. One house, 3 lots. 30,000 square feet under air. So that's why he's got a house like that.
Look at that house.
So he's got 7 patents on the operation. I didn't even know you could get a patent. Well, different procedures. This and this. I don't know. Singing those campfire songs. Hey, if anybody wants a picture, right now's a good time. You stand on the left side of the boat, you have that beautiful orange glow. Get Garrett to take your picture.
We got Tom Brady's house there. It is for sale for around $12 million if you want it.
Right over those 2 buildings if you're in an airplane, about 12 miles. Yeah, about 12 miles that way. Big Deal is a narrow peninsula that sticks out to the southeast. St. Pete is there, Clearwater is back that way.
The sun is setting. Look at that. Sun has set.
Now here's something that I don't care how old I get, always amazing.
And this is a port area?
Yes, yes, very much so. And the shipping industry is what built Tampa. There are 6 canals devoted to shipping, and they generate billions in port fees taxes for the city and the local government. You're also going to see right in front of us the Dole ship, right? That ship is full of bananas and pineapples, and they distribute them throughout the South. South America and here and everywhere.
So this Dole boat over here transfers bananas and pineapples all over the world. Look at how big that is. I don't know whether video can do that justice.
Where's the blue guy?
I'm so sorry, what?
Can you visit it?
Oh yeah, there's a museum in 1/3 of the building,
Okay.
and the other 2/3 are the University of Tampa. It's a really cool museum. I think you'd enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's like going back in time to 1900 and seeing what the most affluent people in the world expected from a hotel.
Wow, that's cool.
Plant spent 2 years traveling the world, buying the finest china.
Got what you need, so sit down and cellar. You reach through the carpet as the turn on the light. It said, it might be a little dust on the bottom, but don't let it fool you about what's inside. It might be a little dust on the bottom. It's one of those things we make some memories after all these years. There's one thing I know. Sunset good love, but it's like a fine wine. It keeps getting better.
Well, friends, thanks for boating with us. This is a definite different kind of vlog. I know it's more music and pictures, but yeah, it's been so much fun. I highly recommend fun boat tours in Tampa. Oh man,
That dude looked like he was walking on water.
he did look like he was walking on water. I'm sorry you didn't get to see that. It was pretty crazy. But yeah, as always, do all the things, drink the drinks. Thanks for boating with us, and join us next time.